Hello everyone, happy October and welcome to this month's first of my Inktober drawings. This is the first time that I'm attempting to do Inktober, which is a challenge created by Jake Parker to create an ink drawing every day for the month of October. I will leave the link below for the website if you want to have a look. I'm hoping to post a video every day, and if I don't manage to do that, I'll at least post them on Instagram. So make sure you're following me there to stay up to date with it all. I'm not following the prompt list put up on the Inktober website, but I have chosen a theme to make this whole process a little easier. Let's be real, I do want to complete this challenge, so wish me a good luck. The theme I have chosen is illustration of recipe ingredients. I have never done anything like this before, so this will be fun. As majority of you lovely people watching this channel are from America, I have decided to illustrate an apple pie. I followed Stephanie Jaworski's recipe from Joy of Baking. I have added the link below for her recipe if you want to check it out. If you have a favorite recipe that you would like me to draw, then please comment below with the ingredients and I will try my best to illustrate it in the next 31 days. If you have taken up Inktober challenge, then what themes are you guys doing, if any, or are you following the prompt list? Are you drawing every day, every other day, or once a week? And if you're sharing your work online, then let us know in the comments below, so we could all check it out for inspiration. Thank you for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this first video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get notified when I upload. See you tomorrow. Bye.